Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a different video. We're doing a DIY video. I'm going to start doing a bit of these type of videos because I'm improving my home and I enjoy it. It's very therapeutical as well. And let's start. So guys, this is a very simple project. I bought this ribbon of Bling from my local home bargain here in UK. It was ever so cheap for £1.99, and it's always good to have this stuff at home. I was planning to do some crafting stuff, but life gets in the way sometimes, and yeah. But today I'm putting that to use. So pretty much what I was doing there was trying to sort of measuring it out and cutting this ribbon to the size of the measurement of the vase. So I've got here my little one as well. She was so excited. She enjoys doing craft, and yeah, so I'm spending some quality time with her as well here. So she's my little helper. She'll be pulling faces and doing what little girls do. Yes, so guys, I wanted to update these vase. I just want a bit of more something in it. It was beautiful on its own, the way it was. However, I just want to bling out my place slightly. Christmas is around the corner, really. I need to start getting my home a bit more glitzy. So here I am measuring it out. I'll be using the hot glue gun and with the little help of super glue as well, because I realized the actual glue sticks were quite big. I've got two glue guns and I misplaced the bigger one, and this one that I was using here is actually the small one. So my little one is helping me here with the placement so it doesn't slide everywhere. It's always good to have a little help when you're doing your little projects and stuff. Yes, so guys, enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment. And yes, guys, let's enjoy the video. So guys, here I'm just going through with the super glue. That is just after I used the hot glue gun, and this super glue is very strong, and yeah, I decided to go through the little, has got these little holes in between the diamante, and I think that was just idea perfectly there. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, and obviously you have to let it dry. I'm using some pegs, as you can see, just to hold it, because it needs to stick to the glass, really, the ribbon. All right, so I'm just putting that aside to let it dry, and whatever glue that dripped through the whole vase, I will just remove that with the nail varnish remover. Yeah, so now I'm moving on to my candle. So I like the way it is, just nice and sort of it's like off-white, but like I said, I wanted to create like more glamorous environment in the living room, and initially was deciding to use the same size that I used for the vase, but I just realized it was quite big, and yeah, so I'm measuring it out here, and I think it's quite big. So I'll be cutting that in half, and I think make the right decision. Guys, as you noticed, I was staring at the candles. Basically, I realized it was kind of sort of a dirty. You know how it sits there for like a long time without burning, and because it's off white, almost white, it kind of looked a bit dirty. So if I'm doing a DIY project, I want it to look very nice. So I decided to give a clean with the potato peeler. That's a hack for you guys, and it looked brand new. Yes, so that was something that I just decided to do, and I don't know how I thought of that, but it worked out perfectly. So here I'm just cutting the ribbon in half. I measure it so both sides or both candles will have the same size ribbons, as I'll place that just across TV in each side of my telly. So that'll be there. And yes, guys, that's what I'm doing, cutting very slowly. Yes, guys, we're nearly the end now. Here's some before and after. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I think it turned out just gorgeous. It's not too much, it's not too little. Initially, I was going to place the bling, the bottom bit, as well as the top bit of the vase, but I think the way I did with just the top, it looks perfect. So here I'm just cleaning out all the webs. As you know, when you use glue gun, you get those little webs and stuff, and just make everything nice and shiny. And I'm very pleased with the results. Actually, it's always good to update your home and come up with different things, and it's something that I can change in the future as well. If I get fed up with the bling, I will get rid of it and put something else, or just go back to the original state. So yeah, he's by my fireplace, and then I've got the candle on each side of the telly. So yeah, it fits perfectly. Like I said, guys, not too much, not too little. I think it's just the right dose of bling here. I find that when there's too many shiny, fake diamantes around the house, it cheapens the place slightly. And like I said, when I do get fed up with it, I can always change. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to